Many companies in medical device and discrete manufacturing continue to rely on manual, paper-based systems to maintain their device history records, or DHRs. But these systems often fall short, resulting in product quality issues, recalls, and warning letters, not to mention costly delays getting product from the manufacturing line to customers. MasterControl eDHR can change all that. Delivered as part of the MasterControl Manufacturing Excellence suite of configurable solutions and services, MasterControl eDHR eliminates the inefficient paper-based management of DHR processes and provides greater automation, visibility, and traceability throughout the production lifecycle. It integrates manufacturing and quality processes so regulated organizations can gain control of their manufacturing data, documentation, and line performance for every major step in producing a product. This means no incomplete data, no illegible documentation, no outdated training, and no disconnected quality events. In 5 important ways, MasterControl eDHR gives medical device and discrete manufacturers the tools necessary to ship product faster with full confidence in quality. 1. Capture data completely and accurately. With MasterControl eDHR, multiple users, even trusted third parties, can securely collaborate on DHR processes with parallel and sequential processing and FDA-compliant e-signatures. The eDHR solution enables companies to easily capture and store all user entries to make them immediately available for reporting. Automatic data integrity checks ensure the data entered is complete and in the correct format. 2. Gain real-time deviation tracking. MasterControl eDHR allows companies to seamlessly integrate the recording, assessment, and approval of any planned or unplanned deviation into the overall manufacturing process, with in-process corrections published on a completed record and a compliant audit trail. Tying deviations to the batch makes it easier to release a batch knowing there is no open deviation. 3. Enforce employee training. With MasterControl eDHR, companies can automatically track and enforce worker training to ensure training records are up to date by capturing all data and recording all signatures as operators conduct their daily activities. The solution helps managers easily determine whether personnel building the product on the factory floor have been trained on each task. 4. Improve audit readiness. Rather than file away paper records and manually retrieve them as needed, MasterControl eDHR electronically tracks and stores DHR information in a central location and quickly delivers complete, error-free forms, greatly improving audit readiness. The solution offers immediate access to collected data plus record retention with a comprehensive and compliant audit trail. 5. Ensure delivery of safe products. MasterControl eDHR captures real-time data across the entire manufacturing process and sounds a warning if a problem arises, so companies can quickly contain the affected product and take corrective action, minimizing the risk of recalls. By improving visibility into operations and identifying errors at their source, the solution facilitates faster product release and more consistent product quality. Simply put, replacing a paper-based DHR system with MasterControl eDHR enables manufacturers to streamline and error-proof processes for right first time, every time, reduce cycle times and accelerate product release for improved cash flow, and integrate quality in manufacturing to ensure GMP compliance. Contact us for a live demo or speak to a customer service representative today. You can call us at 1-866-747-8767 or visit our website at mastercontrol.com.